Hey, you want to make $100 on Instagram over and over again? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show exactly how. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Affiliate Stand. This is Danish, and before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could just smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I release my new videos. Now, the thing that I spoke of in the intro, how to make $100 a day with Instagram. It's pretty simple. It's a very neat trick, and I've been reaping some benefits from it. And I thought maybe I should share it so more people can enjoy this trick. Now, all you gotta do is go over to Instagram, sign up. It's easy peasy. If you can create a Facebook account, you can easily create Instagram account. All you gotta do is log in through your Facebook account. Now, this account can be a private account or a public account. It's completely up to you, whatever you decide. I suggest that it's better that you have a public account and few posts, not many, just 5 to 10 posts in your account, so when people visit your account, they see some stuff that they might want to click on, or something to look at that, okay, this guy is active and he likes to post some content. Now, what can you do with Instagram? As you can see, this is my page on Instagram. This is my account. I don't have many followers, 63 followers, 71 following. And to be honest, I'm in no rush to increase my followers. I mean, if they do increase the numbers, then I would like that, of course, but I've been doing pretty good without them. How? That's the thing. All you gotta do is just go to the search bar. I don't see the search bar here. That's because my recorder is not allowing me. Okay, now there it is. What do? You browse through some hashtags. Now, whatever product you're sponsoring, you're promoting, it could be related to wealth, health, or relationships, the three most lucrative affiliate programs out there. And that's something that I would like to say right now. If you're getting into affiliate marketing, these are the three niches that you need to work on. Either all three of them altogether, or at least two of them, if you want to make some big bucks. Now, what do we do here? All we do is look for something like let's just say make money online. Hashtag make money online. Yeah, we just type that. This is the niche that I work on. So one of my favorite niches of all time. Right. Up there with health. Click it over here. Just click on the hashtag. Now you see over here, top post. You don't want to mess with these posts, okay? Because they already have like thousands of likes and comments, 56 comments, 500 likes, 4 comments, 574 or 5 comments. You don't want to get involved with these posts. What you want to do, and I'm going to tell you why, because they have their ball rolling, and they're not really interested in engagement. Okay, we are looking for engagement. We are looking for people who would say, oh, okay, this guy did something in my post, I should respond to it because I haven't had any engagement as of yet, so I should be nice. And because everybody knows that engagement allows your post to appear in front of users. The algorithm works that way with Instagram, so it's one of the most sought after activity, and this activity is practiced by every Instagram user. You have to do you have to engage. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down to most recent, and we're gonna look here at like 11 likes, 0 comments. 10 likes, 0 comments. 10 likes, 0 comments. What we do here, just click over here. I'm gonna press the like button, and we're gonna say something like they collect paychecks, I withdraw profits. That is so gangsters. Oh, yeah. So gangster. Something like that. Something relatable, something creative, something that that is real, that is from you, not copy pasting some couple of lines that you have typed in a notepad and saved it somewhere in your laptop. No, don't do that. Just come up with real stuff, real time stuff. Post. Now what will happen? This guy has no comment at all on his post. Okay, I'm not saying you have to look for only posts which have 0 comments, 3, 4 comments, 5 comments, even 10 comments. It's okay, and the likes should be under 10, under 15 or 20. These are the people who are expecting engagements. They are not done with their post. They want 1,000 or 500 likes. They want the Instagram algorithm to promote their post without investing, to organically make their posts appear on top of the screen when they use login. So they will notice when you type something on their post, when you comment on their post. So what happens? This guy is gonna look. Oh, okay, someone finally commented on my post. Who is this guy? He's gonna go over here to my page. I wanna look at the profile. Who is this guy? Okay, you're how to scam free biz ops and passive income education, sharing the knowledge on how to achieve financial freedom to all. Interesting. I might want to check out his link. See, that's what happens. This is not something that I'm making up. That is happening on Instagram. There's a reason people have profile. People in these profile, they have description and there are links attached to them. There's a reason people are doing it, because this happens. People want to know who's following me, who's commenting on my post. People would like to know about these people who are these users who are looking at their content. So this is what's happening on Instagram. Now you can what happens next, that when he or she or whatever sensitive times, if a person clicks on this link, then wherever this link redirects that user, that person, that they will take a look at your product, at least have a little glance, and then maybe, who knows, they if you have something which has cookies, some kind of like Amazon product, then they might revisit that product in like a couple of days, and you cash in some bucks when they purchase it from the same product, or from that website. But what I really recommend that you for a long-term recurring income, you have a squeeze page, a landing page, sort of a sales funnel. If you check out my other videos, there's a video that I made on Wix where you can create free sales funnels. You don't have to pay $50 or $100 a month. It's completely free. You can make those sales funnels. Capture the email, because there are people who are, like I said, they won't buy the stuff right away. But if you create enough excitement and anticipation in your post and in your profile, they will at least try to go through that sales funnel page. They're gonna land. They're gonna go to that address, that website, that squeeze page, and over there you can. Hey, you want to know how to make money, how to make $1,000 in a week? Enter your email here. They're gonna do that because they want to know. That's why. That's the enticement, or that's the exact reason they're over there at your landing page. They want to know what's this guy's all about, and what is he selling, and what is this guy is so confident about that I gotta know. And they're gonna enter an email address, and from there you're gonna use your swipes. You can send them emails to promote your product, and that's how you make your email list. So that's something to think about. That you don't want to make quick buck and get away. You want to make customers, right? And if you can do that, if you can achieve an email list building process, then that's the game. That is the game, because people, 9 out of 10 people quit. They quit doing this because they don't focus on email building. I gotta tell you, email building is a big part of my affiliate marketing, because no one buys anything on their first visit. They need to think about it. They're like steaks. They're marinating. You gotta send them reminders. You gotta send them swipes. You gotta keep upselling, keep promoting the product that you want to sell and get commission from. Now, about the video that I was mentioning, it's just go to my videos and you will find it. It's right over here. Oh, actually, stand right over. Yeah, there it is. Affiliate marketing. Make money online with free Wix websites. You can create some cool looking landing pages over here with email capturing, and you can be on your way of making sweet money through affiliate marketing on Instagram. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you want to make some, if you want to really, if you really want to live in a lifestyle of an entrepreneur and build a home-based business, which is long-lasting and really provide you passive income, please check out the links in my description, in the description of this video. Those are my number 1 and number 2 recommendation on how to well, it's not exactly a tutorial, it's more like a free training along with a free sales funnel. Youabsolutely free. You can use that sales funnel for your product, and you can start. All you got to do is drive traffic to the sales funnel, and you'll be amazed how this works. It has changed my life, and I really recommend it. Please go and check it out. Until next time, I'm sorry. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.